Hi everyone. In this video, let us discuss one more program on single dimensional arrays in Java. The question is, write a program in Java to store the mobile numbers of 10 subscribers and their names in two single dimensional arrays, and to accept a mobile number as input and to display the name of the corresponding subscriber from the name array. So this is what actually the question. So let us start doing the program. The class name is class array phone name. The main method is declared now. Since we are going to accept inputs from the user, we have to declare the scanner object. So scanner space in is equal to new scanner of system.in, where the system.in denotes the keyboard you are going to use. Now, since the scanner class is not known to the program, we have to import the package that contains the scanner class, that is util package, into our program. Now, as the question says, there are two arrays required, and the first array is actually to store the mobile numbers of the subscribers. And since the mobile numbers are 10 in digits, 10 in number of digits, we cannot accommodate the values into an integer variable. So let us go for the long arrays, since long arrays are having higher capability of sizes or ranges. So let us declare a long type array of mobile numbers. So long mobile number, opening square bracket, closing square bracket, is equal to new long opening, and there are 10 subscribers, so 10 is the number of or size of the array. Now, to store the names, since the names are actually the strings, that means they are the collection of characters, we have to go for a string array. So string, then let us name the array as name, then set of square brackets is equal to new, then again string, then since there are 10 subscribers, again for the names also the size of the array is 10. Now we have to accept the input from the user. So what are the inputs here? The user has to enter for every subscriber is the mobile number and the name. So let us give a small description: system dot out dot println enter the mobile number and name of the subscriber of 10 subscribers. Now, since we want to accept 10 values of names and mobile numbers of 10 users, let us write a for loop. That for loop will execute for 10 number of times, and let us declare its looping variable I, and its initial value is 0, since the index of the array, first index of any array is actually 0. And since there are 10 array elements, it has to execute 10 number of times, so it has to start from 0 and it can go till 9, that means less than 10, then I plus plus. Now we want to accept the mobile numbers as input. So mobile numbers are actually long in their type, so we have to use a method of scanner class that supports supports to get long type values as input. So that is next long, and its object is in. So in dot next long, and you accept the value from the user and store it into the array. So the array, if you want to store it into the array, you require the name of the array and its index. So the index is actually within set of square brackets to be mentioned, and the index is actually mentioned, or it is denoted by the looping variable of the for loop I. It is starting from 0 and is going till 9, corresponding to 0 from 9, the index of the array elements in mobile number array. So we can use I as the index, right? And now it's accepting the mobile number of a particular subscriber as input. In the same index, okay, if you are getting the name of the subscriber as input, in the same index you want to store the name also, but in the name array. Suppose if you are storing the mobile number of a subscriber at index 1, then the name of that subscriber should be stored in the same index 1 in the name array. So that is what actually you have to do. So you have to store the name of the user, corresponding user, the same index I, and you have to accept the names as input from the user. Names are actually the strings, that means the collection of characters, so that you can get the strings as input using next method or next line method in the scanner class. Let us use next method that is capable of accepting one word as input. Okay, right. Now this method will accept one word name as input and will be stored into the index I of the name array. Now the input is available. Let us start doing the processing. But before doing the processing, we have to accept a mobile number as input. What's the motto of this program is first to have a collection of subscribers' names and mobile numbers, and to accept the mobile number of a particular subscriber, and to identify the name of that subscriber and display it. So here the names, mobile numbers and names are available in different arrays. So what you want to do, first you accept a particular mobile number to be checked or to be compared from the user. Let it be another long variable, okay, mobile number. Let us name it as mobile number NO to differentiate mobile number and mobile, both the variables, mobile number, this name and this name, right? And accept it from the user, right? So we have to use again n dot next long to accept the mobile number, and let us give a small description to the user to enter the mobile number. So enter a mobile number. Now what we want to do is we have the mobile number to be checked in our hand, and we have to process that array. So compare that mobile number entered by the user with all the mobile numbers available, or the mobile numbers available, or every mobile number available in the mobile number array. And if you are finding the match, then the name of that name corresponding to that mobile number is available in the same index of or same index of the name array. This is what the processing is. So again we have to go for a processing. Okay, again we have to go for a processing, and let us name the looping variable as j. And since every mobile number element is actually to be accessed, we have to start the index of the looping variable's initial value, the index of the first index of the array. So that is 0. Then j less than, number of elements is 10, so less than 10, that means 9, j plus plus, right? Now what you can do is you take every mobile number from the array, so mobile number, and it requires an index. That index is actually j, because in this for loop we used j as the looping variable, and that denotes the index of the array elements. And if it is equal to the mobile number entered by the user, okay, so let it be a condition in the if statement. So if mobile number of j, that is a particular mobile number element in the array, is equal to the mobile number entered by the user, then what you can do is you can what you can do is you can immediately display that particular name of the corresponding mobile number. So system dot out dot println the name of the subscriber is actually if the mobile number is matching, mobile number is entered by the user is matching with the mobile number element at j of mobile number array, then in the same index j the name of the corresponding user or subscriber will be available. So what you can do is you can print the name of the subscriber, corresponding subscriber, from the same index of the name array, right? So once you printed this, now you have to terminate the loop, because once you found the match, there is no meaning in continuing the searching process. Already the required match is found. Okay, right? So just break the given or just terminate the given loop and come out of the loop. Okay, right? So now two important things we have missed. One is declaration of the looping variables. Okay, declaration of the looping variables. So we have used two looping variables. One is I and another one is j. Let us declare them, and these are I comma j. Right? Now how it will work is actually it will accept the mobile numbers and names of a particular subscriber as the input, mobile number and name of particular subscriber as the input, and it will be stored into mobile number and names arrays in the respective indexes. After that, it will accept a particular mobile number as input from the user, and it will go through every element of mobile number array, and it will be compared against the given mobile number, and if both are matching, then immediately the name corresponding to that mobile number can be obtained from the same index j of the name array. Once you find the match, you can stop processing and you can simply come out of the loop. And let us compile the program, and the program is syntax error free, right? And now let us run the program. This is what actually the program is, but for the sake of explanation, let me make the size of the arrays actually 5. Okay, since it will consume more time to execute, okay, to give, it will require more effort to give inputs. Let me make this 5, so that the number of inputs will be lesser in size. Okay, now let me compile the program one more time, and let me run the program now. Now enter the mobile number and name of 10 subscribers. Actually it is 5, so I didn't edit it actually. Okay, right. So the first subscriber, for example, a mobile number, for example, let me give us 3-digit mobile number 567. Then the name is A. Then second one, for example, 234. Then the name is B. Then third one is, for example, 900, and the mobile name is for example CCC. Then the fourth input, for example, fourth mobile number 456 and DDD, and fifth one, the last one, and it is, for example, 345, and the name is EEE. Now all the 5 inputs are given as given, and now it is asking for the mobile number that is to be checked in the given array. Let me assume I want to check whether I want to display the name of the mobile number corresponding to 456. So 456 is already available in the array. Okay, 456 is already available in the array. Let me give 456 as the number to be checked, or the number that I want for that I want the name of the particular subscriber. So press enter. Now the name of the subscriber corresponding to the mobile number 456 is DDD. So this is actually the most likely asked questions in asked type of question in ICSE computer applications board examination. So with this